Moving on to the other big story, the Punjab and Haryana High Court will once again take up Times Network journalist Bhavana Kishore's regular bail hearing today. However, a different judge will hear the matter. This after Justice Sibal backed out after heated arguments with the lawyers. The judge, before recusing himself, was convinced that the accused did not know the complainant. Not just that, the High Court pulled up Aam Aadmi Party government and questioned as to why was only Bhavana given interim bail and the video journalist and the driver are still in jail. Meanwhile, the leaders cutting across political parties have slammed Aam Aadmi Party's vendetta move. Listen in.
Liars. They are fake people. They had set up a facade, and that facade has now been exposed by journalists and channels like yourself. Nobody stops him from having the basic amenities that are required. He's a chief minister. He might have to entertain people. Fair enough. But why do you create that facade that you are a monk, right? You do not believe in all these things. You will travel in a very small car, which he did right in the beginning. He used to hold his conferences in that very small car. You remember? Yes, sir. When they wanted to stop the 26 January parade, they were in that very small car. It's all a facade, a drama. So don't do that drama. People are not fools anymore.
भारत का लोकतंत्र चार पाए पे खड़ा है, पत्रकारिता उसमें सबसे ज्यादा महत्वपूर्ण है। मैं सिर्फ इतना कहना चाहूंगा कि किसी भी खासतौर से एक महिला पत्रकार के साथ जिस तरह का आचरण हुआ है, मैं उसे उचित नहीं मानता और निंदा करता हूं उसकी। जहां तक सवाल है पत्रकारिता, उसकी अभिव्यक्ति की आजादी बनी रहने देना चाहिए।
We have Shivani Sharma live with us. Shivani, we heard the arguments yesterday as far as Bhavana Kishore's matter is concerned. Court also pulled up authorities, pulled up the Aam Aadmi Party government. So there is clear political vendetta which is pretty visible. Take us through what is expected today. We believe that another judge will be hearing the matter today.
See, we are at Chandigarh, right outside the Punjab and Haryana High Court, and inside the courtroom too, the matter will be taken up shortly. Justice Mercy will be hearing the matter, and he'll be taking up the discussions from both the sides. Yesterday, we know that Justice Sibal heard this whole matter. The arguments went on for good 3 hours, and the Advocate General was there from the government of Punjab. And after the discussions and arguments from both the lawyers, Justice Sibal said that I am taking myself back from this case and I'm transferring this to Chief Justice. And then after Chief Justice decided that this court will be taken up in the bench of Justice Mercy, the court has listed this hearing for today. And Justice Mercy is taking up matters in the divisional bench. Once the matters are over for the divisional bench, he will be taking Bhavana's matter in his individual bench. And we are expecting that shortly the matter will be taken up, and we expect justice, because we've seen how vendetta has been done, and not only Bhavana but a number of reporters have been targeted prior to this incident also in Delhi by the Aam Aadmi Party workers for exposing the Operation Sheesh Mahal, which we have done. And very clearly the arguments that were made yesterday in the court also indicated the vendetta that's been going around for the channel and for the reporters, and especially for Bhavana, who had come from Delhi to Ludhiana to cover an event where Aam Aadmi Party's chief and Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal, was there, and how the whole event was planted. The whole sequence of events very clearly show that there was a wrongful FIR that was taken against all the 3 members of Times Network, and today all these observations that were made yesterday in the court
will keep coming back to you as the arguments continue in the court, but no doubt that this is nothing but vendetta by Aam Aadmi Party government in Punjab.